That's not a good start. Um, hey, and yeah, welcome back. What are we? Uh, Tuesday? Yeah, I think. Yeah, Tuesday. Um, so yeah, I did a little bit just before. Still trying to fix up the face a little bit. I think maybe these are a bit too far out, but I can work on that in a little bit. So I did add the scales in just to see what that would look like, and it's looking pretty good. I'm definitely glad that I decided to do scales rather than the plates. We will continue doing the plating down this side though. So what we're going to do, or what I'm going to do now, is just make sure that all of these are matching up now with the edge of where the scales are. So I'm just going to use the move tool and just do that. Kind of make sure they're sitting nice. But yeah, it's been a pretty good day. Obviously, final week now before our compulsory shutdown. So yeah, coming to an end there. Other than that, home-wise, just kind of getting ready. Just make sure that I have everything ready for Christmas, I suppose. And get this as far along as I can, so that when I come back, it's all full steam ahead, as it were. Okay. So that's looking good. I might now that these are sitting in the right spots, let's duplicate and mirror these here. Mirror, duplicate, and duplicate, mirror. So at least that's looking similar. We can do the eye as well. Duplicate. We should probably merge down as well, so that when we edit, we're editing both at the same time. It's gonna duplicate this so that pretty much everything is in place. And we'll go. No, there's two there. Alright, let's length. Okay. There we go. So looking pretty good. Looking like Naga. So you can probably see that on here there's a bit of a texture thing going on, so I should probably just show you what I did. So we'll move that down, and then we'll go X. Cool. So I just roughed it up a little bit with the crumple brush. It's actually really hard to see. Let's go with the traditional. Where's the? So crumple works in sort of like a direction. So if you go up and down, it'll make folds that go horizontally, and if we go this way, it'll start trying to make folds that go up and down. So I'm just going to play with it a little bit. But yeah, don't really like sculpting detail in that color. We'll probably stick to the whites, which is what I usually use anyway. Yeah. So we'll give those more geometry. I'm gonna go into here and we're just gonna flatten all this, and we'll build this all up again. We'll just fill in what I did before. And then we'll just smooth it off. It doesn't have to look perfect because we'll cover it up. But yeah, it's looking good. Oh, the fingernails I forgot to do. Alright. So duplicate, mirror. Duplicate and mirror, and so if we hide the shoulder pads, select the eye for the moment. Yeah. Cool. And we'll find the parts to the shoulder pad, just get rid of that for a second. Yeah. Yeah. And we'll get rid of the there we go. So apart from the teeth, he's looking pretty good. So now it's mainly just a matter of doing the details. Just make sure that it's saved in the right spot as well. So we'll go here, reference, delete, yes, and then save. Alrighty, but yeah, I'll leave it there, and I will catch you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll probably do another phone one because they'll be drawing, and then we'll be back to doing stuff on the computer. So catch you tomorrow. Alright, cheers.